In this short demonstration video, we're going to look at how we can share our clips and clip lists and the developing search functions in Clipper. To do this, I'm going back to the project we created in the first demonstration, Foodie Stuff, here at the dashboard level. And we can see that inside Foodie Stuff, there's one resource, the video, one clip list, which is created by default, and two clips, because we remember that in the first demonstration we were creating multiple clips from a single source, a video. So if I open Foodie Stuff and go to the project clip list, we'll see there's these buttons up here to share the entire clip list in two ways. I can share it this way or publish it. These are still early versions. If I click share clip list, it generates a web address. If I copy this web address, create a new tab here, paste in the address, hit return. This takes me to the web page where my clip list has been published. And we've got no editing functions, it's just a consumer view of the clip list that we've created. If I go back to my clip list view, I can also share individual clips instead of the entire clip list. If I click on this button here, it says share clip list. It should say share clip. It's a mistake, we'll fix that later. I click on this. Again, it generates a web address because it's just published a web page in the system just for that clip. I click back on this to my earlier one, paste in the new location, and here's my single clip published to the web. And if I can click on this, it will play the clip from beginning to end.
Lettuce. Mushroom.
And you see there it has played the clip to the predetermined start and end points. So if I go back to my clip list again, we'll see that at the top is another button here called Publish. If I click on this, we'll actually see, for demonstration purposes, the data contained in the clip list published in JSON format. Again, this is an early version. The final version won't be like this. This is for demonstration purposes only. So clicking on this, it says I'm going to publish your clip list in several formats. This is a good point to say that we are also anticipating exporting the clip list in different formats, XML and CSV, for instance. So if I scroll down now, we can see that the data for this clip list has been published in JSON format, and here's the title of the clip list and the project, Foodie Stuff, and then there's details about the resources, and then there's details about the clips. So that's a clip title, and this is information about the user who created it. So that's the JSON format for output. Here we're looking at the simple search functions that Clipper currently has. If we look back to our project clip list, we'll see at the top of the column there's this field that we can put search terms in. So in here, if I start typing in the beginning of radish, it filters it to that. Or if I put nothing in, the whole list becomes available. It's a YouTube style filtered search. I could put leek in, and that appears. Later there will be a search function for a user's projects across all the projects, as well as inside a project clip list like this. And there will also be a search function for the project resources as well. In the service version, there would also be advanced search options to search within a user's clip lists and across the collection of clip lists in an institutional setting.